How to edit product description on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we'll show you one of the basic things that we can do is basically add a product description or edit a product description from Shopify. So we have our products in here and they have a specific description, as you can see. So we can feel free to change it and it is actually very simple. So let's just go and get to it and not waste much time. All we need to do is just go in and log in into our Shopify main dashboard or the admin page, as you can see here. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just click on products on the left panel. It should be the third one from the top. Click on products, and here you will find a list of all the products that you have on your Shopify store. Go in and click on any of them. So I'm just going to go for this middle one. And then right away, you will find yourself in this page where you can edit everything about this product, including, but not limited to, the title and also the description. So you can feel free to change the title of the product and also the description of this product. So we can just do something like, this is just a sample product of the color purple. And we can just go and click on save. And now the description has been changed. Obviously, we can feel free to make it bold, italics, and so on. There are going to be a lot of different options to choose from here. And, you know, to make it a little bit more pretty. You can also insert images. If you click on this, you can feel free to add images. For example, if you wanted to add size charts and so on, you can do so from here. Or you can even, if you want, you can insert videos from here, but you will need to get an embed code for an actual video. Now, if you want to bulk edit descriptions, it's also going to be possible. All you need to do is just go ahead and go back to the products page here and just go ahead and highlight the products that you want to change the description for in bulk. So I'm just going to go for the orange and red one and click on bulk edit, which should show up on the top right here. Once this is open, we want to go to columns on the top right, select description, make sure it is actually available here, and just edit the first one at the top and just type in whatever you want for it. So let's just double click on it, highlight this, remove it, and do this as a description. Now to apply it to all the other products that are available in this bulk edit, you just want to drag this down. And you should pretty much copy it to all products, as you can see. Click on save once you're happy with your changes and click on back and you're good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful and informative, and thanks for watching.